Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice star white metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter Powerstroke turbo diesel engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a tailgate step and a bed liner. We even get a bed camera up there as well. Side steps and, well, mud flaps on the rear. A nice black platform running board. Mud flaps on the front. Trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection. You have your side view camera, turn light indicated, and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front, we have 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering. You have the brown stitching, plenty of door space, B&O sound system. We do have floor mats, flat fold storage system, as well as a carpeted interior, cup holders, 2 USB-Cs with heated seats, and 120 volt. And of course, you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you can lift the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, tailgates, and spotlights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 17.5 kilometers. We do have a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at your screen here, we have my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage. You got cup holders, and you got 2 more if need be. Wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and it does close. You do get a leather-up center console with tons of storage with LED light and some USB-Cs. You got your drive modes with rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, and you got your heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Got storage above with the Super Duty logo, storage below, storage right here. 6 Upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please with a nice powered rear window opener. You also do get your functions for your twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our engine brake and our hill control. Looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We also have our phone connectivities. You have your navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings, personal profiles, Ford Assist, all that jazz, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC35866, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.